So I went to the zoo the other day.
Really?
Yeah. I thought I was gonna have fun, but it turns out it wasn't fun at all.
Why?
I went to go see the monkeys. I was like, man, this is gonna be so great. I love monkeys. I just love them. So cute, so cuddly. Just like this one. Like, I just love monkeys. But my love for monkeys has gone away since that day.
Why?
Because as soon as I got there, the monkey looked at me. And when he was looking at me, he started fingering his butthole. It was really gross. It's really fucked up. And then after he was fingering his butthole, I tried to run away. And I was pushing people, shoving through the crowd, just moving and gliding almost. But as I was running and gliding and sliding and flying away, I pushed a little kid, and he fell into the monkey pit. And
Oh no.
yeah. And you know what happened next?
What?
That monkey looked at that little kid and started fingering his butthole.